ECDL Advanced Excel Lesson 90 Tracing Dependents. Dependents are cells that reference the current cell. Tracing dependents looks at all other cells where the current cell is used in a formula. Okay, please open the workbook audit trail if it's not already open. We're now going to trace dependents. So if you make sure you're on the sales sheet, click on cell C3 and click the Trace Dependents button. Again, this is from the Formulas tab. The arrow shows the dependents for C3, namely cells C5 and E3. Let's click the Remove Arrows drop-down and select Remove Dependent Arrows. Let's just have a check. C3 is just a number, the number 6. E3, it's adding up everything from B3 to D3, which includes C3. If we look at C5, C5 is the sum of C3 and C4. So again, both of these formulae, that's the formula in C5 and also the formula in E3, they use cell C3 within the formula. Let's now look at tracing dependents to other worksheets or workbooks. So this time select cell E5 and then click the Trace Dependents button. Cell E5 is traced back to a linked worksheet or workbook. To check where the link is to, double-click anywhere on the arrow. The Go To dialog box is displayed, showing the linked destination. If we double-click on the reference in the Go To box, it will take us to the destination. And we can see that in the Accounts worksheet, in cell C4, we're actually using the cell E5 within the formula from the Sales worksheet. Okay, as mentioned in last lesson, if the destination is a different workbook, it must be open or a reference error is displayed. Okay, if we go back to the Sales worksheet, let's remove the arrows by clicking on the Remove Arrows button. We've not actually made any changes to this workbook, though we will be using it in the next lesson, in which we will be discussing tracing errors. Okay, I hope this has made sense, and I look forward to seeing you next time.